Good morning. Welcome to Making Money with Max Online. I'm Max, and today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what my days are like. I get up in the mornings around 6:30 in the morning. I have my devotional, and after my devotional, I do exercises for about 30 to 45 minutes. By that time, my wife has breakfast ready, and we all enjoy breakfast together. Um, the nice part about that is that I'm flexible. I can get up when I want, 4 o'clock in the morning, 6:30, whatever, and then proceed with my day. After that, usually I head out to the office for about an hour or so, check on the stats with the computer and see what my websites are doing and check out any orders, etc. And most of the time, I spend time with the family. Today, for example, we're going to our nearest city over here, about 45 minutes to just go shopping. Go shopping and enjoy what the area. Go eat and just have a small date with the family. So that's what my day looks like most of the time. I also enjoy working on cars, so I have a shop back over here behind that door where I work on my cars. Sometimes I buy a car, I fix them up, and I drive them for a while. I enjoy them. I fixed Audis, I fixed Jettas. I have a Subaru back there right now that I want to start working on. Brand new motor, just needs a few details. But that's fun. I enjoy those kind of things. I enjoy fishing. I enjoy target practice with either pistols, rifles, bow and arrow, things like that that I can enjoy with my family and friends. And I can do it anytime, any day of the week. The nice thing about having an income source from home is it's residual. It continues to work for you 24/7. And so that's why I want to encourage you to try it and look at our program. Click on the link below so that you can follow the series and proceed from there. Have a good day. I enjoyed talking to you guys. Take care. Bye.